The Supreme Court could give a major boost to the Trump administration's muscular use of executive power when it hears arguments Thursday over his plan to end birthright citizenship. The court is not actually using a trio of cases before it to give the final word on whether Trump can radically reinterpret the long-understood meaning of the Constitution's 14th Amendment. Instead, it will focus on the power of judges to block presidential policies across the country. Trump's plan to limit birthright citizenship to people born to at least one parent who is a U.S. citizen or permanent legal resident is likely to ultimately be struck down, most legal experts say. The 14th Amendment states, "All persons born or naturalized in the United States, and subject to the jurisdiction thereof, are citizens of the United States." Advertisement. But for now, the Supreme Court, which has a 6-3 conservative majority, including 3 Trump appointees, is focusing only on the question of whether lower court judges had the authority to block the policy nationwide, as 3 did in different cases. The administration and its allies have for months raged at judges for issuing universal injunctions that have stymied Trump's aggressive use of executive power. Republicans in Congress quickly introduced legislation on the issue, which was approved by the House of Representatives last month. It has not come up for a vote in the Senate. Universal injunctions issued by district court judges continue to fundamentally thwart the president's ability to implement his agenda, a Justice Department official said Tuesday in a call with reporters. The administration sees such rulings as a direct attack on presidential power, the official added. Advertisement. There have been 39 such rulings so far during Trump's second term, according to the Justice Department. Injunctions have, among other things, blocked some federal funding cuts and federal employee firings instituted under the direction of Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency. In other litigation, 2 courts blocked Trump's transgender military ban nationwide before the Supreme Court intervened and allowed it to go into effect. The administration is asking the court to limit the scope of the birthright citizenship injunctions so that they apply only to individual people, organizations that sued, or potentially the 22 states that challenged Trump's executive order. If the Supreme Court agrees, the Trump administration may be able to implement the policy in part, even as litigation continues and more people sue to obtain rulings that apply to them.